So greetings everyone, welcome on the English version of the instructions how to make a circuits. Now I will explain on the Airbus 400 1:72 scale from Revell. At first I would like to say that this particular wing has many lights installed, so that's why you can see quite a volume of the wiring. And from this volume of the wiring we will make particular circuits which will be later on connected into the heartbeat one, or if it will be less volume, then to the tiny heartbeat. First of all, I need to explain what these circuits are. So here you can see the landing light, which is installed as a SMD diode. Then you have one light, basically three lights: position lights, anti-collision and strobe, and a freshly new effect which we are introducing with this model, and it's formation light. So honestly to say, 10 lights in wings. So how to connect it? So in the previous sets which you have from us, there were only red and black wires. So by instructions given, you were instructed to connect all the reds into the one circuit which is going out of the model, and then make circuits from the other negative poles, which are now is described as a color, and usually in black. And you are testing these wires with the battery to make sure that you are perfectly connected with the circuits which you need. And then this circuit will be connected with the other circuits which are prepared mainly here, and all together this will go out from the model right here and connected to the Neo heartbeat. Airbus 400 is fully I can honestly say it's like a Christmas tree, and so many lights on it. So this is perfect example for you to demonstrate the connections. So let's start with the wings. Okay, so you can clearly see that I have here all reds prepared. Okay, so this will be connected together, and then this goes to the fuselage, and here all the reds will be connected as well together. Then you have here colored wires, which are basically white, green and yellow. These will be connected also together because this creates the position lights and strobes. So from such a volume of the wires, if you have, let's say, 10 LED diodes, you have 20 wires. I will try to make a small volume of the wires, which will help me later on with the installation on the assembly. I also need to say that you need to merge steps of the building model. In general, this means that if you would like to install, you need to pre-assemble or use different ways of the assembling the model. Okay, so I will explain later on once I will be connecting all these wires together and let's say plugging going out of the model. So now let's start with the connection of the wings. So I'll come back to you and explain later on. Okay, so this is it, how it looks like. So here you can see that all the red wires are connected together, and this explains what is always written in the instruction sheet, that connect all plus positive wires to the one, and this one goes out from the model. So particularly this one red will go from the wings to the fuselage, and here it will be connected to other red wires which make connection of all reds, and only one red will be going out of the model. From the other circuits which are prepared here, I already made the one for the formation lights. So I took the green wires, connect them together, plus insulate with the heat shrink, which let's say it's a prevention of any disconnections, because when you assemble the model you will have no chance for the repair. So this is the formation lights. So fairly quickly I can make a quick check. So here is the flashing. So here is the one side and here is the second side. Okay, and in this way I will carry on with the wires which are remaining. Okay, so now we have 3 wires which will be going from the main wing. So it will be one red, actually 2 reds, because here is the strobe lights. And now I have remaining about 8 wires, which let's say 4 will be for the position lights, these yellows. So what I will do, this is about the same as the length of the yellow green wire. I will make a cut. If you have the old sets which has only the black and red color, it will be a little bit difficult, but not that difficult as this. So you just take the 9-volt battery and check each of the circuit which is installed, and simply make check for it with the battery. Okay, so I make my life easier, and it will be for future sets that we will try to make color negative poles, which will help you easy recognize which circuit you are currently working on. So you can see that the yellow wires are connected together. So I add one, which will be the one which is going from the wing to the fuselage, using the soldering liquid, and then solder. Okay, so you can easily see that I'm making the yellow circuit ready to go out of the wings. Okay, so here let's shorten, and we have perfect connection. So from 4 wires only the one is going out. Okay, so now I will take the heat shrink. And the heat shrink will help me to insulate, or let's say the keep connection as it is, because there is a glue inside. We are usually providing these heat shrinks together with the set, so I think you have enough additional material needed. So basically it's just a matter of connecting the circuits, and then make sure they are correctly connected, and this will help you to make correct connections. Okay, so now check. So I'm checking the yellow wire. So you can see that there are 2 lights actually which are shining. So it's red and white, and here it is green and white. Okay, and between them it's a strobe light. So this will be one of the 2 blue which I need to check now. Okay, so just to be sure that this is perfect, yes it is, so we can carry on with the other connections. So here you can see that I have just 4 wires going out of the wing, and the remaining 4 white, which I need to check now which belongs to which circuit. So definitely 2 will be for the strobe lights, and 2 will be for the landing lights, which are at the front part of the leading edge. So let's see. So I will double check. So first strip this wire, and so I am checking. Yes, so this is the landing light. Okay, you can see. Okay, so I keep this one. So let's focus on the landing light. And the second one probably will be this one. Okay, so let's check. Strip again the end, and here we go. So yes, okay, it is correct. So we have, let's say, the leading edge light ready to be connected together and make circuit. Okay, so we go for it. So this is these another two wires which will be connected together. So again, I am preparing about the same length as the others. From 22 wires we have one which is straight only reds, so positives, which will be connected with other reds which are in fuselage and tail. Plus we have one circuit from formation lights, one circuit from the landing lights, one circuit from the position and anti-collision, and then one strobe lights. So basically from 22 wires you made just 6. So this will help you with the next manipulation and installation of the wing on the fuselage. So this is the last step which I would like to show you. So we will see each other, hear each other in next video, which will be installation of the fuselages, installation with the tail, and also now I am going for the assembly of the wings. So now I will glue halves together, install the engines, so you will see later on how it looks like. See you later, talk to you later.